Welcome to Science Made Easy Lessons. This is a lesson 2, and this lesson 2 we are going to look at density. How will you define density, or what is density? Density is the mass per unit volume of the body or substance, and its symbol is rho. The density of a liquid is measured using a hydrometer. So that's the instrument you can use to measure density of what? A liquid. Mathematically, density can also be defined as mass of a substance divided by volume of substance. We have already learned that unit of mass is kg, then volume is also what? Cubic meter or meter cube. So if that's the case, then SI unit of density will be kilogram per meter cube. Now, we want to look at how we can calculate for density or mass when density is given, or volume when density and mass is also given. So let's look at our first example. Example 1. What is the density of an object of mass 0.5 kg and volume 40 meter cube? So in the question, mass is given and the volume is given. Is density which was not given. So we need to find the density of that object. So our solution. First, we quote our formula. Density equals mass over volume. Then mass is given as 0.5 kg. Volume was given as 40 meter cube. So density, we don't know. So in this case, you substitute the values for each of the quantity of that object. Mass, we have 0.5 kg divided by 40 meter cube, which is for the volume. So when you use your calculator to point 0.5 divided by 40, you'll get 0.0125 kilogram per meter cube. The unit is very important. So you need to bring the unit, attach the unit to the value. 0.0125 kilogram per meter cube. So that's our example 1. It's very simple. Always bear in mind you need to find what they ask you to calculate for. Then you write the values for the variables in the question. Then you substitute the values in the formula and you get your answer. Let's look at our question 2. Question 2. A body of mass 2000 grams is floating on water. If the density is 1000 kg per meter cube, what is the volume of the body immersed? So let's analyze the question carefully. The question, mass is given, which is 2000 grams. Density is given, 1000 kg per meter cube. But volume was not given. So it means that we are finding what? The volume of that body. Good. So let's look at the solution. So we go to our formula. Density equals 1000 kg per meter cube. It has already been given. Then the mass is 2000 grams. Take note. The unit for density is in kilogram per meter cube. Is not in grams. So the best thing for us to do is to change the unit of mass from gram to what? Kilogram. And how do we do that? First, we know 1000 grams. 1000 grams. 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Therefore, 2000 grams will give you what? Yes, 2 kilogram. Two kilograms. Good. You know how you get the 2 kilograms? Simply, you can present the 2000 grams with x, a variable, equals XAB. Then you do your cross multiplication. So you get 2000 times 1 kg all over 1000. Then when you divide, you get 2 kilogram. So this is the conversion. Good. Now, volume, we don't know. That's what you want to find. So how do you get the formula for volume? Formula for volume. Let's code the density formula. We said density, which is rho equals mass m all over volume v. So let's multiply both sides by v and multiply here also by v. So you get v p or rho equals m, because this v will cancel this v. Now based on this, we can find volume, so we should find volume v. So we can divide both sides by rho. Here too by rho. So this rho will cancel this rho, leaving v equals m, which is mass over density. So that's what we have here. Volume equals mass over density. So we now substitute our values in the formula. So we have 2 kg divided by 1000 kg per m cube. Then you use your calculator, you get 0.002 meter cube. Very simple. Let's bear in mind, always we need to look at the unit. The SI unit for volume is meter cube. SI unit for mass is kilogram. So in this question, density given was in kilogram per meter cube. So the best thing for us to do is to change the grams of the mass to the kilogram. So when you come to this kilogram will cancel this kilogram, and you have your meter cube. Our third question. A liquid of density 7.8 times 10 to the power 2 kilogram per meter cube has a volume of 2.0 times 10 to the power negative 2 meter cube. Calculate the mass of the liquid. So density has been given, volume has also been given. Now we say we should find the mass of the liquid. I hope this one is very easy. You can try it yourself within 30 seconds. Let's see whether you get it right. Let's look at our solution. So we quote our formula. Mass equals density times volume. We have already looked at that when we were looking at how to find a volume using the density formula. So this one, you divide both sides, you multiply both sides by volume, then you get your mass. Mass equals density times volume. Density was given as 7.8 times 10 to the power negative 2. Then the volume is 2.0 times 10 to the power negative 2. We change from the standard form to either a whole number or a decimal. So for the density, changing it to a whole number, then 7.8 times 100. 10 to the power 2 is 100. It's 10 times 10, so you get 100. So 780 times, then 2.0 times 10 to the power negative 2. So this, as law of indices we explained earlier, it means that it's divided. This 2 is divided by what? 100. 2 divided by 100 and get 0.02. So 780 times 0.02 will give you 15.6 kg. So that is the mass, 15.6 kilogram. I hope you got it correct within the 30 seconds I gave you. Good. So this is where we end our lesson for today. Density. I'll give you assignment. You try your hands on it. You can give your answer in the comment section or WhatsApp your answer to the number you found on your screen. The beginning of the screen, there's a number there. This is the assignment. First question. A material of volume 15 centimeters cube weighs 27 grams. What is its density in I, gram per centimeter cube? II, kilogram per meter cube. Then the second question. Find the density of a cylindrical object with radius of base r equals 0.1 meter and height h equals 0.5 meter. If the mass of the cylinder is 44 kg, power equals 22/7. So this is our 2 take-home assignments. Please submit your answer in the comment section or WhatsApp your answer.